Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's recipe, I am making an easy oven roasted, golden, crispy, juicy baked chicken. This baked chicken right here is done to perfection. If you would like to see it, keep on watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Without further ado, let me show you guys how it's done. For the seasoning, I am using 1 tablespoon of dry thyme, 2 tablespoons of herbs de Provence. Now you can use Mediterranean seasoning instead of that one if you like. I'm using 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoon garlic, 2 tablespoon creole seasoning or any poultry seasoning, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of adobo seasoning, also be sure to test your seasoning out. If you need more salt, you can add more salt. I'm using about 1/4 teaspoon of salt with about 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and that is all you need to season your chicken. Here I have 1 lemon, or you can use lime. I'm going to squeeze out the juice so we can have some nice lemony flavor, just like Pollo Tropical, but better. All right, I have my chicken here that I purchased from Sam's Club. It's a young chicken that I am going to cut into a butterfly, and my chicken was a little frozen. I had to let it sit out until it's fully thawed out. Now this is my chicken, nice and clean with lime, and make sure you remove any moisture on the chicken. Now I am going to pour oil on the chicken, and the lime juice, we're going to pour it all over the inside of the chicken. All right, now it's time to add our seasoning. Make sure you generously season this chicken. When I mix all of my seasoning together, it should equal to about almost 1/2 cup of seasoning. I know it might seem a lot, but we're not looking back. This is my chicken. I want to season it however I want. If you don't want to add that much seasoning, I ain't your mama. You can do whatever you want. But this right here is how I like to season my chicken. Especially if I'm going to place it right in the oven without letting it sit, I need seasoning, all right? For all the people out there that I know will say, oh my God, too much seasoning. But this is the way that I like it. You can make your chicken however you like it. You can adjust the seasoning, you can add less, but if you want to achieve this roasted baked chicken, I guarantee you try this out with the exact same seasoning, the exact same measurement. You will thank me later. All right, now as you guys can see, I am adding the seasoning all over the chicken, and also any little part like that part right there has a little hole. I am going to pour the seasoning in, also the inside, under, between the thigh, under the skin, just add the seasoning all over. Once you're done, this is what you should have. Alright, now it's time for me to bake the chicken. I am going to bake it covered. Make sure you cover it. And we're going to bake the chicken on 425, okay? 425 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. Make sure the last 10 minutes of the cooking process, you remove the foil from the chicken so you can achieve the nice crispy skin. If you still don't have the nice golden brown color on top, you can even turn on your boil, the top part of the oven, just to give it the color, but make sure you watch it very closely so it doesn't burn. But once it is done, honey, this is what you have. All right, guys, this is the chicken and it looks so good right now. I cannot wait to dive in and start eating. I can't wait to flip it over because I would love to see how it looks from the other side. And I know this chicken about to be delicious because, I mean, look at the color. Look at the crispy skin. It looks like I grilled it, but you know, oven baked. You just have to have some techniques and you have restaurant style baked chicken, honey. This is it. Hope you enjoy it. Be sure to subscribe for more recipes. I have more baked chicken recipe which I will leave down below and on the screen. Click the screen to watch them next. I promise you, you will love those recipes. All right. Oh, I can't wait.